Please get this iPhone SMS notification vibration sound effect from the video description to change it on your iPhone. Go ahead and open the Settings app and scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics option. Look for text tone right here next to ringtone and tap on it. Then go ahead and select the Haptics option. Over here, you're going to see the default synchronized vibration pattern. You can turn that on for SMS notifications. You can also choose a different long vibration from the available options. Or you can go ahead and create your own by tapping Create New Vibration. That's it. Make sure you download the vibration sound effect from the video description and set it up on your iPhone. If you have any other questions, go ahead and comment below.